Hey guys, this is Pete from Pete'sTwoCents.com. Today is, I believe, July 30th, 2009, on a Thursday. Markets are rallying strongly. We're doing very well. It is time to sell whatever profits you have. You don't have to sell the whole thing, sell some shares of it. If you got 100 shares of something, break it in half, bring it down to 50 shares so when you get a pullback, you can buy back into your stocks. There are some stocks that are positioning themselves for a breakout, in my belief, my opinion. One of those is AK Steel. That's the reason of this alert. It'll be on the website. If you see it on YouTube or if you see it here on the website, Pete'sTwoCents.com, you can see what I'm talking about. On this chart, this is a Google chart. You can see it pretty decently, but it's better for a visual as far as my platform. Sometimes I use that. But regardless, you'll see here, this is the 200-day right here coming about. So the stock is trading above the 200 and above the 50-day as well here. The stock has been good to me, believe it or not. This motion here, I've been laddering across. It's been a little bit of a flat line for the last couple of weeks, but I've been able to catch every rally. So the stock does move in large increments, 2-3% at a time. So when you get a pullback, it's nice to buy into it, and then you get like $1 profit or 50 cents, or actually not even 50 cents. You'll get like $1 profit, $1.50 profit. I've seen it rally $1.50. I get into the position, I dump half of my shares, or sometimes I've even laddered up to it to where I dump 75% of my position. And then if I catch a little bit more, great, no problem with 25%. If not, when it dips back down, as it's been doing, then I buy back into it. So it's not so much of a day trade. I think it's still a swing trade, but it's a nice swing trade where you don't have to hold the stock too long, and you can catch the profits every couple of days. So it's very nicely. The stock has been trending upward on an upward tight channel. Okay, you'll see it here. You can't see it that well here. If you pull it up on your own charts, you'll see here. But it is trading upward. When you look at it, it has a lot of room for profit. You can easily, if you want to hold on to it, you don't have the time to trade it. Hold on to it. It's an easy 10 bucks. Easy, easy, easy. The stock, as you see, it's trading at 1860. Let me look at my other screen. You can definitely ride this up to $28 in my opinion. Do your research, obviously. Earnings look good to me. Balance sheet looks good to me. I've been holding and playing with this stock for a while now. I think it's a couple of months. But and just laddering up and down, as I told you before. So it doesn't mean I'm holding it. I trade this. This is what I do for a living. I do this every day. So I trade it. If you have the time, trade it up, trade it down, and your 10 bucks can turn into 20, 30, 40. If you don't have the time, not a problem. You make 10 bucks. That's usually my goal. I try to make 10 bucks every trade. Sometimes I'll get a little greedy, bring it up to 15. But 20, 30, $40, sure. I mean, if you want to lower your position, you never want to be that high exposed on on a position that has that much shares involved, regardless if you're trading options, regardless if you're trading straight equities. So with that said, look into the stock. It is about to break out today on a strong rally of 189. I think it was 180, 109 points on the Dow. The stock is pulling back a little bit. You'll see 43 cents. We're up now, 2%, but the stock trades a little bit stronger. And as you see here, it's right at the 50 days. So it may turn around and may pull back. I think it's the perfect time to buy is right now. So look into it, enjoy it. Give me your comments on the site, on YouTube, wherever you see me. All right, guys, Pete'sTwoCents.com. Thank you. Talk to you guys in a little bit.